So this is another nice park called Conservancy, and there's a farm over here, but it has a pretty nice, beautiful view, and they have a long prairie. They also created a bird trail here, and there is a lake down over there. This used to be like a mining spot or something like that, I believe. And I think the lake that is down there is probably a man-made created lake. They haven't cut the grass yet here, which I'm surprised. Usually this path is pretty flat. That's a gorgeous pasture over there on the other side. But the view of the trees here is amazing for some reason. This fly keeps buzzing around my head like it's crazy. Cute little bridge here. Yeah, this is like a gigantic. And that's the lake down there. People can fish there. Hopefully there's no other dogs, because Casey is off the leash. But I have her leash just in case. She's a wild lady. Right, Casey? You wild girl? Let's see. See, they put down, what do you call this? Mulch. It's burning hot today. I was thinking there's probably going to be some thunderstorms, and sure enough, there's some thunderstorm warnings, but I think it passed now. Well, they really haven't mowed any of this lately. So here's another part of the trail. It's this was pretty steep. And this is my favorite bird, the tufted titmouse. And whenever, I only see this by my house about maybe twice a year, something like that. They are absolutely cute. So once you get halfway down the trail, this is what you see. What would you call this? This is like a wetland. Yeah, this is like a little wetland area. Very nice. So the point of this park is they're saying they have all, so they have the, what do you call it? I guess the prairie type area. They have the wetland. You know, I guess they're trying to say they have kind of every little component here that might attract many different types of birds. And these flowers smell amazing. Holy moly. how beautiful. Wow. Let me stop and smell the wildflowers. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, they smell absolutely lovely. We're pretty much out of the trail. Where the two or more habitats collide, higher levels of biodiversity can be observed. Then they have this little map over here on the other side. Tips for better birding. Shows you different types of trees. What is birding? So here's an up close of the lake.